Hi, this is Brian of Hypotastic Learning, and this time we're going to learn on how to create a transparent text area on top of your image. So what you can see here is a City of London text on top of our image, which is a really cool effect. And this is what we have as our main image. So we're just going to place this text over here on top, and you can see that it's more of a transparent effect where you can still see the background through the text over here. Okay, so let's get started. So let's go for our main image, Control A, just select the entire image. Let's copy it, and then let's now create a new file. Okay, just click OK with the defaults, and let's place here our image. Okay, so what we're going to do first is go to Layers, and then we're going to create a new layer on top of our main image. Okay, and then what we're going to do with this new layer, so make sure that the new layer is selected over here, and go to Edit, and let's change our layer into pure color white. Okay, so make sure that the opacity is 100 first, just to see what happens. Now we have our entire layer as color white, so you can see that it's on top of our image. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is let's lower the opacity to around 80%. Looks good. Okay, and you can slightly see the image over here because we're making our layer 2 a little bit transparent. Okay, so next thing is let's select the text tool over here and just type somewhere in the middle. Okay, and then let's have it as all caps, City of London. Okay, and then over here what you can do is just play around with what font you prefer, and then what I'm doing right now is setting it to a large enough font size so that it fills the entire area from left to right. Okay, so just play around with this like size and the font on what you see fit. Okay, but notice that right now it's still color black. Okay, so something is still missing. So what I'm gonna do is hold the Shift button. Okay, I'm holding it right now, and then select the white layer as well. Okay, so make sure that these two are selected, and what we're gonna do is group both of them together. Okay, so now we open this group, and you can see the text and also the white layer grouped together. Okay, now make sure that the City of London, the text, is selected. Right click on it, and let's have a look at the blending options. And over here what we're going to do is make it transparent. So you can see that as we move the fill opacity towards 0, our City of London is disappearing. But change the knockout option to shallow, and it gives you a really cool effect of it's like it burnt a hole in our white layer, and then you can see the background behind it. Okay, so this is the reason why we grouped both of these layers together, because once we apply this knockout effect, it will only apply it to the layers inside the group, which means that it only applied it to the white layer over here. Otherwise, if we didn't group this together, it would have burned a hole as well into our main image. Okay, so you wouldn't be able to see the image over here, the nice colors at the background. Okay, so next thing is select the white layer. Let's go to Edit, and then pick Free Transform. So what we're going to do is resize this image. So let's just drag it towards City of London. Okay, and it gives you a nice like accented effect over here, and you can see the rest of the image because we've resized our white layer. Once you're okay with the size, just click the check box over here. Okay, and then now just you can select the group one. Make sure that the selector is being used as our tool right now, and you can drag both of them because they're now considered as one group, which is really cool. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial.